Welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll demonstrate how to install Microsoft Store apps without using the Microsoft Store on Windows 10. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, if you've uninstalled the Microsoft Store and want to install its apps, there are two alternative methods I'll share here. The initial method involves visiting a specific web page, linked in the video's description. This site serves as an online link generator for Microsoft Store apps. You'll need the app's URL from the Microsoft Store page. Simply copy this link and paste it into the provided field on the web page. Once you generate the links, identify the correct software from the list and download it. Ensure you're selecting the appropriate file type, for example, an MSIX bundle, for installation. The second method is to use another web page, also linked in the description, which offers a search option for apps. Search for your desired app, choose the version for Windows, and proceed to download the latest version available. You'll get an MSIX bundle file to install the app, as in the first method. After downloading the file, proceed to open it. Any security prompts or errors encountered during download should be accepted as the files are safe. By following these steps, you'll successfully install Microsoft Store apps even without having the Microsoft Store installed on your system. That's it. I hope this guide proves useful to you. Don't forget to like the video and explore more informative content on this channel. See you in the next video tutorial.